Good afternoon, everyone. Hey, Phoebe, how are you?
Oh, hi Janak, how are you?
Good. Phoebe, what do you think about the 70s?
To be honest, I don't even think about 70s.
Why, seriously? I think the days of 70s were the golden days. We had the walking music, the Walkman.
We have iPods.
Well, we had Elvis Presley.
We have Lady Gaga.
Okay? We had John Travolta.
We have Brad Pitt.
Well, the Bond himself, Sean Connery.
Hey.
The Knight himself, Christian Bale.
Oh, come on, Phoebe. Seriously, I don't think this discussion is ever going to end. Why don't we see from the legends of the 70s themselves?
Let us watch the ad. One fine day, getting up in the morning in 1970. One fine day, getting up in the morning, 2015.
What is it? Oh, it's morning.
Let me wish everyone good morning on Facebook and Twitter and on WhatsApp. All the morning work is done.
Scene 2. Going to the office in 1970.
That is right. Yeah, that is on. Let's go. Oh, I'm getting late.
Oh,
John, how
hello,
are you?
Peter. I'm fine.
And how about the girl at the bus stop?
Yeah, man. Finally, after 2 years, I'm going to ask her out.
Nice.
I'm John. May I get your number? Yes, I got her number. Go away, I'm getting late.
Going to the office in 2015.
one and that one. What is going on?
Excuse me,
Yes.
can I have your number?
My number. You can look me up on Facebook. You can be friends there.
Scene 3, getting into the office in 1970.
Hello, Sam. Good morning. Hello. Hello.
So what's in that box?
Oh, this is my new computer. It has 256 bytes of RAM. Do you know? Yeah. It can do anything.
Oh, great, man, great. And what about that girl?
Yeah, I have a date tonight.
Really?
Yes.
Great, man, good for you. All the
Yes.
best.
Hello, Rahul.
Hey, who's that? Hey, you're mad or what? Hey, John, you're looking worried. What happened, man?
I need to rent a car and go to Boston. I have a business meeting there.
Okay.
I need to gather the BP and I don't know the full form of BP.
Oh, it's so simple, man. Don't worry. I know you can do it.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Going to the office in 2015.
Okay, office. Let me check my agenda. So I have this client meeting today.
Excuse me,
Yes.
you forgot to check in.
Check in. I already checked in on Facebook.
Very funny, but I'm not in a mood to joke.
What do you want?
I want your access card.
Access card. I think I have it here. Take it.
What is this? This is a driver's license. This is not accepted.
Oh, there is my access card.
Come on, this is a metro card. This is also not accepted.
I think I forgot my access card. What should I do now?
Okay, go and stand over there.
I need to check my emails. Come on, do it fast. What are you doing? I'm checking my emails.
Okay, I think you are good to go.
Let me all gather all these things. I told you I was saying. Take up. Hey Rahul.
Hey, Jack. Hey! Someone take me out of his. You look so worried, Jack. What happened?
Yeah, I'm very worried. So we started this project in 1970. It's still going on. We are on the just prototype phase. We are nowhere near completion. And I need to present the product to clients today. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Oh man, why are you worried about this? You have done all these things before, right?
I'm
It's
so
so
worried.
simple. Don't worry, man.
I'm worried and
You can
scared.
do that. I know you can do that.
Let's see.
So now they have to rent the car. Renting a car in 1970.
Oh God, I am already late. You.
Hey, what's that?
Oh. Oh. What? What? Sorry.
Thank you.
Make it fast, man.
I'm not a computer man.
No thanks. What is this? $50 at rest, $100 at rental. Holy Jesus! Whatever, my company is paying for it. Oh, no other option, only one car.
Renting a car in 2015.
Oh, I'm already late for the meeting. Such a big line. I think they don't know about the US Now app. Let me complete my checkout on my mobile. And the checkout is done.
No, I don't have.
Same price on reservation and rental, thanks to RRPC. Oh, so many choices. Let me select this one and go. Let me pick up my car.
So they have reached Boston. Requirement gathering in 1970.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am John. I am here to gather the requirement. Can anybody please provide me the requirements? Hello, I am John.
I'm Phoebe John.
Oh, great.
So I'm representing my company to provide you the requirements. This project is called Project Elephant.
Wait, let me write. Project Elephant.
This is one of the biggest projects that we are going to do. The requirements are very difficult and unique. So what I'm looking for is an animal which is black in color,
Animal black in color.
big,
Big.
at least 4 legs,
At least 4 legs.
one tail, and one trunk.
One trunk.
Yeah, and a trunk is mandatory.
Okay.
And it should be able to carry at least one person.
One more requirement. This is a very huge project. It will cost you around 5 million.
5 million?
Yes, 5 million. And we will take 10 years to complete it.
No, I want this in 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
No, not possible. 10 years. Okay. Let me reevaluate. Even if we fast track it, we would be able to complete it in 9 years.
No, let us do it 3 years. 3 years, please.
3 years, not possible. Let me rethink again. Yeah, I think we can complete it in 7 years.
5 years. Last 5 years, please.
No,
please.
7
5
years. Okay, I have one option. Can we have a toss?
Okay, that is up.
So, head, I win, tail, you lose. Let me repeat again.
Yeah.
Head, I win, tail, you lose.
Yeah, 5 years, 5 years.
So, are you ready? Oh, it's a tail, you lose. 5 million, 7 years. Deal done.
Head, even tail. Project Elephant in 2015.
What is this doing? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So, As you know, we started this project in 1970. We promised to give it to you in 7 years. But fortunately, the project is still going on. It has been 45 years, and the budget has now become $50 million. So, still the product is not complete. That's a good news. And the bad news is we have the prototype ready. So, are you ready to see the prototype?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. What do you think of the prototype?
Doesn't it look like a wild buffalo?
No. It's the Project Elephant that you asked for. So let me show you. It satisfies all your requirements. So this is Project Elephant. First requirement was it should have 4 legs.
It has 4 legs, okay.
The second requirement you had was it should be black in color. It is black in color.
Yeah, it is black. Yeah.
Third requirement was it should have a trunk, which was a mandatory item.
It is having a trunk, okay.
And the next one was it should be big. I think it is big enough. What do you think?
It is at least bigger than a person.
That's what we wanted, right?
Okay.
Okay. So the next requirement you had was it should have a long tail. You can see here it has a long tail.
Okay.
Correct? And the last requirement you had was it should be able to carry at least 1 person. Our developer is sitting on the product. So you can see that it satisfies all the requirements,
I
right?
think you have satisfied all the requirements, so the product should be correct.
But that's not it.
Okay.
We have put in a value addition as well. Because you are our client for a long time now. So the value addition is it provides milk as well.
By selling this milk, I will be able to earn more revenue.
Yeah, that's what we want, right?
Oh, that's a good thing.
So what do you think?
I'm very much looking forward for the final product. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
So the Project Elephant was over, but on that fine day, 5 p.m., 1970.
Oh, it's 5. It's a family time. Let me pick up my car. Oh, here is my car. Let's go. Oh God, flat tire. Let me ask for some help. Help! Help! Hey you! What should I do now? No telephone booth nearby. It's already 5:30. How would I communicate? I think in future communication will be easy. Life will be easy. I don't want to live in this world. I want to go to future. Can anybody take me to future? Can anybody?
$5 p.m. on that fine day in 2015.
So much of work. It's 5 p.m. But I have a meeting at 5:30. It will go on till 7:30. Let me finish that first. Yeah, we can do that. It's not a bug. It's just production design. No. Yeah. That's correct. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think we had a good chat. Thank you. I'm so frustrated. There's so much work. I cannot even deal with it. 70s was so much better. My father used to tell me that they used to leave office by 5 p.m. no matter what. They had too much family time. It was so good in 70s. I'm so depressed here. I want to go back to 70s. Can someone take me to 70s?
Well, hello there. So, this is the day I was waiting for more than 1,000 years now. So, I have built a path where people can travel across the time. And finally, I have two subjects willing to travel across the time. All right, let's meet our subject one. Well, hello there.
Hello, doctor.
So, you want to go in the future?
Yes, doctor, I am desperate to go to future.
All right, just wait. So, the subject one is ready to travel in future. Let's meet our subject two. Well, hello there.
Hello, scientist.
So, how you doing? So,
I'm very depressed here.
okay, so you want to go in the 70s?
Yes, I want to be in 70s. I want to go back.
All right. So, both our subjects are ready for the time travel. Subject one, are you ready?
Yes, doctor.
Subject two, are you ready?
Yes, scientist.
So, everyone, ready for the time travel? Yes. All right. So, let's the time travel begin.
What is this world? Why is this so black and white? I think doctor was right. I'm here in 70s now. Okay, that's good. So the scientist told me that I'll be replacing a person named John. So let's see. And he also told me that John is having a date tonight. Let's see how his date goes. There is my smartphone. I need to call my boss to tell him I'll not be in tomorrow.
Hello, John.
Hi.
Are you
What
worried?
is this? I don't wear this.
Are you okay?
What do you want? Where's my smartphone?
Talk to me now.
I need to check Facebook. Emails.
You want something?
No.
You want tea?
If I want something, I'll ask for it. What is this world? This is very depressing. There's no Facebook, there is no smartphones. How people live here? I think I made a mistake by coming here. I think this is very depressing for me. I'll have to go back to 2015. I'll need to search that doctor. Where is the doctor now?
Oh, which world it is? So colorful. Hey brother, which year it is?
2015?
2015. Oh, the doctor was right. I think I have replaced Jack. Now I will be having a new girlfriend. What is it? Is it a neck belt? Is it a
Looking
calculator?
great. Let me take a selfie.
Selfie? What you are calculating?
Let me put it on Facebook.
Big book it is. What happened to her? Why she is not talking to me?
Nice joke.
Let me teach her lesson. Let me teach her lesson.
Is this a way to treat a woman? You?
Why she is not talking to me? Why she is not listening to me? Nobody is caring me. Why I came into this world? I want to go back. I want to go back. Where is that doctor?
Well, hello there. This time, Hello. So I'm back. So, how were the subjects doing? The subjects were successfully transformed in their respective timelines. Let's meet how they're doing now. Well, hello there.
Where were you? Where have you put me in? This is so depressing. This world is so depressing. It's so black
Hold
and white. I don't want
on.
to
Hold
live
on.
here.
Calm
This is-
down.
I want to
Just
go back.
calm down. Alright, the subject 1 is looking very depressed. Let me find out what the subject 2 is feeling. Well, hello
Hey
there.
doctor, why you put me in this world? People have no time for family. They are
Just
busy on
calm
WhatsApp,
down.
Facebook,
Just
WhatsApp.
calm
What is
down.
this?
Just
I want to go
calm
back.
down. Well, the subject 2 is looking equally depressed. So, but one thing has worked is the time travel has worked fine. So now is the time to make some money. Because I'm good at it now. And someone has said it. If you're good at something, never do it for free. So let's take them back to their own world. But this time, it will be at the cost. Let's see how much it is. Well, subject 1, are you ready for the time travel?
Yes, I want to go back. I want
Subject
to-
2, are you
Yes,
ready for the
doctor,
time
I want
travel?
to go back.
But this time, it would be $10 million. And each one have to pay me $10 million.
What?
Else, you enjoy their world.
But you didn't
See
take
you.
any money while taking us here.
Yeah, that was a test. I have to run a test before I can reap some money, but it has worked fine. So now, $10 million, or else I am on my way. See you.
Wait, doctor, wait. Take it,
Anything to
doctor.
go back to 2015.
I want to go
All
back.
right, 20 million in my hand. So, subject 1, are you ready for the time travel?
Yes, I am.
Subject 2, are you ready?
Yes, scientist.
And everyone else, are you ready for the final time travel? Yes, so let's the time travel begin. Well, hello there. I'm back. But this time, not as a doctor, not as a scientist, but as a citizen of humanity. We have a message that yesterday was a history,
Tomorrow is a mystery.
and today is a gift.
That's why it's called the present.
So enjoy the present.
Enjoy.
Great show by all of you guys.
Well, hello there.